So starting with the template is going to be a good way to start. So I'm going to have you click on the Here button, and because it's a Premiere project that's saved on Google Drive and shared with you, you'll need to click on this Download button right here. That goes to your Downloads folder and will return to get the name that the file should have. So it's going to be your first name and your last name. So we're going to navigate to our Downloads folder, rename the file, and move it to our new project folder just like this. I'm going to use this to go to my folder. That's the same as using File Explorer and going to Downloads. And there it is, the template. So I'm going to rename this by just clicking on it once. Turns blue, and Control V paste. You could also right click and choose rename. I'm going to put my name. You put your name. Once it's renamed, it can go into your project folder. You can just drag it, and if you can see on the left your OneDrive My Favorite Things, the video project folder, you can just drop it in there and it should look just like this.